All right. We're going to turn that on. We just, he wants to try to get these, see if it does anything
There's like
with
some
these.
spots right here.
Yeah, that's from when it rained. Just stuff that got tracked in a little bit and dripped.
So we turn the machine on. It takes 15 seconds to get it started, and then you got to wait about another 10 seconds till it's fully purged. But it gets going really quickly once it gets going.
Now you can't turn off the flow. There's no valve or anything, so you just turn the machine on and off to start and stop the steam.
Okay, let's see what we can do. It's taking it up.
Okay, and we didn't put any pre-spray
There's no
or anything
spray or
on
nothing
it.
down. Okay, here's one more. There you go. Copper cleaner with no pre-spray.
All right, so that actually works pretty good.
Yep.
For all the doubters.
If you want to use pre-spray, you can. It probably works. I mean, on most times, you just have to see. The thing about not using pre-spray is if you get it real hot and it needed a pre-spray and you didn't get out, you could set the stain in. So the safety thing is to use pre-spray on all stuff, but we kind of know what we're doing, so we knew we were safe.
All right, that's just a quick little video to show you can get like little stains out of carpets and stuff pretty easily. All right, thanks for watching.